remove your website from search engines entirely. So you will be deemed like you won't be appearing in search results. And then moving to the other section, which is mobile SEO. So when actually you type a search query in mobile, there are three things you can serve to your visitors. First is through the responsive web design. Second is dynamically checking whether user is from a mobile device or a tab device, and the third one is having separate sites from both mobile and desktop sites. So when you use responsive web design, which is Google's recommendation as well, you don't need to worry about that. You don't need to worry about user experience, because your engineers or your developers have already tested this out. They've already tested out the source, the CSS code and HTML. The best thing about responsive is your HTML CSS remains the same. The only thing is changed how you render your CSS to show on the screen side. The second one is you change dynamically your HTML CSS, which is, I believe, not a good practice, because you change the HTML. So say you have a different HTML for search engines and you have a different HTML for mobile users, and you're not connecting them or telling search engine that these are actually the identical versions. So it may sometimes lead to clogging as well, which is showing different results to search engine and different source code to desktop users and different source HTML source code to the mobile users. And the third one is having a separate mobile site. So we took this example of Jabong again. So what Jabong have, they have a separate mobile site. So when you enter some specific query or the brand name from your mobile device, like Jabong, their mobile site actually shows up in the search results, which is really a good thing. And how they're actually doing this? So there's an alternate code by Google where the search engine, where you tell Google that this is actually the mobile version of my website, and for mobile results you need to show up this website. And in the meantime, what you do on mobile website, you put a canonical tag of the main website, just to make sure you don't have any duplicate content issues. Well, there are some common SEO mistakes as well in mobile SEO. So it's like faulty redirects, redirecting to the mobile website, and sometimes redirecting to the desktop website, and then irrelevant cross-linking. So say if you are serving the mobile website, you need to make sure that the interlinking is actually to the mobile site, mobile URLs. And third time, the unplayable video. So you need to make sure that your user experience is really good on your mobile device, because it's like 3 to 5 inch screen. People have very less time to actually decide whether they want to go ahead with the details or not. The other one is app downloading messages. So make sure that they are visiting your website on a regular basis. Then tell him to download your app. It's not actually good